Hello, I'm Rachel Jones for the Finance News Network. Joining me today from Memphasys is Executive Chairman Alison Coutts. Alison, welcome back to the network.
Hi, thanks very much.
Now, Memphasys is a medical device company specialising in bioseparation. How is progress?
It's going really well. We've developed a device called Felix, and it's extremely good, and we're not that far from launching in the market, I'd say 6-9 months. This is the device. It's got disposable cartridge that is one-off. You use it once, quick and easy. Electric forces separate with size exclusion membranes, and you press here. 6-minute processing, 3-minute hydration, 3-minute the electrophoretic process. Really very, very simple, automated. It's just about ready to go.
And how did the Felix come about?
It's been a long time coming. Back in 2008, before I ever joined the company, there were live births with a predecessor prototype machine, which would never have seen the light of day in a proper clinic. But nevertheless, there were a number of live births from people who really, really wanted the babies, and they were having trouble with IVF. We took that device and re-engineered it such that we have a proper commercial thing now. We've done it with Professor John Aitken. He's the co-inventor of the technology. He's at the University of Newcastle. And we've also got a clinical partner in Monash IVF, most particularly Professor Michelle Lane.
And what can you tell me about the Felix production?
There are two parts of the device. It's a cartridge, it's a one-off, single use. This is where we're going to make the money. One cycle, one cartridge. Very easy. And then this is the console. Got two different suppliers making these, getting a large number made, already being sent out to key opinion leaders, and they will test according to a particular protocol. It's called Protocol A. They're all going to be testing according to that protocol. Some will do density gradient centrifuge, some will do swim up, and they'll have a look at how our Felix goes against their favourite process. But simultaneously, we're already now into engineering verification and validation of the device. This is something that all device manufacturers have to go through, and it's a convoluted process to ensure that it all works according to how it's designed. And it should be done by the middle of next year.
So let's talk more about 2020. What do you expect for progress?
It's going to be a big year. As I said, we're doing verification and validation of the device. That's engineering development, the final side of it all. We're servicing the key opinion leaders. We're sending them out. We're seeding the market and then putting a few more in and making sure the key opinion leaders are well served and they're following the protocols, and no particular problem there. We're also doing regulatory approval submissions, so we're getting ready for a TGA submission. We're getting the final bit for getting a meeting with the TGA, which will be sometime, hopefully early next year. That'll be followed up with a request for a meeting with the FDA, and we're also pursuing EU. In conjunction, we've just got an ARC linkage grant, which is a very prestigious grant. It's $550,000 for technologies or activities that are going to be important to the future of Australia. This is about manufacturing, very innovative manufacturing for next generation devices. And we hope that we'll be able to scale this up for doing the same for animals, because we've got ideas of how we might do improved artificial insemination, cows, horses, pigs, etc. And besides that, will be also useful to get a next generation product, because you've always got to be looking at product improvements. So it's going to be a busy year.
And let's talk about strategy now and share price performance. What can you tell me about that?
So the strategy is to just go like mad, to do a good job of getting this device out to the market, make sure that we service the key opinion leaders, that answer any issues they might have, get the regulatory side of things done for the high regulatory markets, and just keep on pushing, because there's actually nothing like this device. It's unique, and we have a place in the sun. We've got to actually make the most of it.
Alison Coutts, thanks for the update.
Thank you very much.